And so we are going to go over how to factor when it's x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so there are a couple of style problems. So the first one is x squared plus 13x plus 42. Okay, notice it's the exact same way. Our b value is 13, our c value is 42. So to factor this is what you need to do is you need to list the factors of 42 that add to a positive 13. And 42 is also positive. Okay, how do I come up with these factors? Okay, I divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. So what I can do is I can take 42 divided by 1 and I get a factor. 42 divided by 2. 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 4. And so again, how to show this in the calculator is if I take 42 divided by 3, it gives me 14. Okay, and so I would get 3 and 14. This would not work. This does not work. I divide by 6, I get 7. So because I'm repeated, I'm done. So the factors of 42 are 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14, 6 and 7. So then based on my list, which two of these numbers, if I decide to add together, gives me 13. And so I do get 6 and 7. So I am able to quickly factor this as x plus 6, x plus 7. And I am done. Okay. Now what gets challenging is that if my b and c value change to be negative values and so forth. So let's go ahead and see another example. If I have x squared minus 4x minus 45. Okay, so notice this is still a quadratic. I start with x squared. So I need to go to my factors list. So my factors of the last number, which are negative 45, that have to add to my middle number, which are negative 4. Okay, so then from here, I need to go ahead and come up with my list. So I divide by 1, I divide by 2, I divide by 3, I divide by 4, I divide by 5. Okay? And so hopefully as you start making this list, you start getting quicker at understanding what works. So this gives me negative 45, negative 15, negative 9. Okay? And you might have to keep going, but I'm going to stop here. I crossed out 2 and 4 because you cannot divide them. So now when I check my list and I add these together, okay, which ones add to negative 4? Well, it happens to be on my list. 5 and negative 9 do, so I'm able to quickly factor this as x plus 5, x minus 9. Okay, and so I will go over one more problem. Okay, so my last problem I'll talk about is x squared. Oops, sorry. It even does it to me when I record a video. X squared plus 5x minus 10. I'm sorry, minus 14. 14, not 10. Ah! Okay. So again, because it's the structure, I need to come up with my factors of negative 14 that add to positive 5. So let's make my list. 1 and negative 14, 2 and negative 7, 3 does not work, 4 does not work, 5 does not work, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and so that is my list, but remember, I can change the signs where the other one becomes negative. Right? So now based on this, what are my two factors that add to 5? Well, it's actually negative 2 and 7. How do I know that? Well, you could check it in the calculator. So now I'm able to quickly factor this as x minus 2, x plus 7. I am done.